Welcome. In this video, I'll show you how to send a long video on iMessage. All right, so first up, go ahead and open up the contact. So for example, this contact right here, as you can see, I successfully sent a video. All right. So I'm just going to delete it for now. And to be able to send a video, you can tap on the plus sign right here and tap on photos, and then go ahead over to collections and find your video section right here, for example. Now let's say I'm going to go ahead and add in or send this minute and 10-second video. I'm going to tap on it and tap on done, and then just basically tap on send right here. All right. So just wait for it, or just wait for it to fully send. You'll be able to see a progress bar right here at the very top. Okay. After that's done, you are good to go. Now, if that won't work for you, let's say you have this enormous file size. Okay, so what you'll do basically is go ahead and share a link via iCloud or use AirDrop if they are right next to you. All right, so those are the ways to send a long video on iMessage. I hope this video helps, and I'll see you in the next one.